Guys, we're at Maria Island National Park. Let's go for a walk in the jungle again, in the national park. Just spotted Kengi. It's jumping away. Oh, you can't see it, but he went in the bushes over there. There's one over there as well. This captain's looking at it.
Oh, he's off.
He's off.
Didn't even get that one close.
Poor scared it. Just seeing some wildlife around. Oh, sorry, echidna. Just over here. Just over there. He's gone. He has his hello in there. Oh, he's gone in down there. Underneath that log. You can't see it, but I can see it in real life. Still spikes in there. There you go, he's taking for a photo. Getting in there. That's the start of it. That's all the rocks off the jail. Some up there.
I reckon they were all cleared back then for pasteurising cattle, maybe, because they would have been self-sufficient, I think. Piles everywhere.
Yep.
So all this ground would have been rocks like this, just
Splattered, yeah. Check out here. I think the captain is looking for wildlife, take some photos. Middle of nowhere, and still old rocks around here. One over here, one there, some over here. It's a part of the jail. Back in, what year was it? 18 something? 1850. There you go. They get the nice view as well. Trying to find some wildlife in these logs here. Stay a bit dry down here. Could be Tasmanian devils sit underneath there, or yeah, in there as well. Just in there. Must be in there or something. Now just walking towards the jail. It's over there. Apparently it's one of them's already built for example for us to have a look at. Sussing out where they live, the wildlife. If you can see, the jail is over there and the kangaroos are just jumping around. You can't see it, but it's just nice to just tell ya. The historic man trying to find out where the wildlife is. Oh yeah. Looks like something in there, not? Nah. Taking photos of the kangaroos over here. Look at this beautiful view. There's that yacht over there. So where we are, we're on the islands where we can see the jail. If you can see that, it's over there. On the background there, it's all Hobart towns and stuff, little shops and stuff. Paul just found a skull.
It's a blue one. Look at that, complete. I'll keep that one. Beautiful. Look at that. I know you all think it's, but oh, that's cool.
It's coming up to the jail. There's a complete one over there I'll show you in a minute. Oh, look at that. They used to stay in here for when they do bad stuff.
Looks like they used to chip away at the bricks. Oh, I get down.
Jeez. Imagine the roofing up here.
Oh, morning, Wally.
Oh, Wally's here today. Look at that. He's here today.
Home.
Yeah, that's his home, I think. There's a complete right here.
I've got to get shot in Wally. I got shot yesterday.
Probably can't see. I'll probably blow it up for you. All the history about this jail they used to have. Look at that. Back in the day. Wow. Look at the roofing they had back in the day. Paul showed me a photo yesterday of him yesterday, and he was laying down and he looks dead, but he wasn't. He was breathing. Now he's all happy and chappy. Another little cell over there, it's all broken down. It's a warm day today.
Warm.
Yeah. Shouldn't wear this jacket. I hate this jacket when it's like this. But there's so many pockets in it.
The old fencing is coming through here.
No, yeah. One there.
Interesting.
One over here somewhere. See all the old planks there? It's old fencing from 1850s.
Like bricks, I reckon. Jeez, they're old.
Imagine the view they got here. Bloody hell.
I reckon there's big gardens up here.
Yeah.
All this stuff must have been
Garden.
enriched soil.
Yep.
I'm taking some sort of weed now, but it's only that patch, you know. I would have had to grow stuff to feed them.
Yeah. Found this metal thing.
I reckon in the water tank or something.
Yeah, it looks like.
Look at it, it's all
Yeah.
hand ribbed and stuff.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, there we go. Focus. There we go. Old stuff. Wow. Look at all this. Used to be a garden here.
Some sort of other wall or building in here.
Must have a building here. Here's probably that's the wall there. So they're facing out the bloody view.
Goes along there.
So we found another cell, but it's not complete. But it's all crumbled down, but you can just see the half built wall. I'll show you in a sec.
This one's not brick though.
But it's not brick, it's all rock. See how they had all the concrete bricks here? So that includes all the wildlife walk to the jail. At least we saw one in the cell, at least. He's probably been there for a while. It's got a little hollow and everything there.
It's pretty used to people.
Yeah, I think he's pretty used to it. For people coming up and taking photos and saying hello. Probably pat him as well, I don't know. So we went to, there's a campsite over here. It's all massive campsites along here. Toiletries over here, just behind the bushes there. There's probably a house up here, you can just see. Behind that tree over there. There's a camper over there. There's heaps of campers over here. I think you need a permit in Tasmania. Finding a tender boat to go to the main boat. It's on the rocks. That's why the other boat is pretty far out.